So hi all, this is me Drishya, Assistant Professor in the Department of Information Technology, Dr. S.S. Ajrakshmi College of Arts and Science. So today my topic is GPRS, Network Operations and Data Services. So it is a presentation that explores the general packet radio services provide 2.5 2 to 5G technologies that fundamentals reshaped by the mobile data. So the data services, it enables and lasting applications in the telecommunication landscape. So what is GPRS? GPRS emerged commercial around 2000s to 2001, introducing a packet switching mobile data that is standard over existing 2G and 3G GPRS networks. So unlike traditional circuits or circuit the connections that is tied up in the line in the entire duration, the GPRS breaks into the small packets, transmitting them efficiently. So this is the working of GPRS in 2G and 5G, 2G to 5G in 2000 to 2001. So the innovation allowed the always-on internet connectivity, the significant leap forwards the mobile users, while theoretical data rates up to 56 to 114 kbps. Typically real-world speeds ranges from 15 to 40 kbps. They are revolutionary at that times. So the network architecture of GPRS is first one is SGSN. So SGSN is nothing but the serving GPRS support node. So it manages the data sessions from mobile users, handling packets, routings, authentication and mobility management within the service area that is provided, and it acts as a primary point of contact for the mobile users. So the gateway of GPRS supporting node GGSN. So GGSN is nothing but the service. It acts as a service interface between the network and the packets, external packet networks such as internet. So it converts GPRS packets into standard IP packets, allowing mobile users to access external services also. So TDMA. So TDMA is nothing but the time division multiple access, which separates the networks or the data packets into time slots. So GPRS efficiently utilizes unused time division multiple access time slots on SGM channels for data transmission, ensuring optimal use of availability bandwidth. So it enables a simultaneous voice of data services on a single devices. So how GPRS works? So it works on the four categories. First one is operations on the packet switching principle. So packet switching principle, where the data is fragmented into small packets of transmission, and then it reassembles the packets and receiving it. So this method offers a significant advantages of the terms in efficiency and billing. So the first one is data packetization. So where the user break down all the packets into small and manageable packets. So second one, where the radio transmission process occurs, where the packets are transmitted over shared radio channels, utilizing bandwidth only when the data is actively present. So next was packet reassembling. So when the destination is almost going to arrive, the individual packets are reassemble them or reconstruct them to the original data, where it splits the data and then it reassembles. So when the value based billing, when the billing is based on the value of the data, volume of the data transmitted, not the duration, the connection makes always on the connectivity cost efficiently. So the data services enabled by GPRS are mobile internet browsing, where it enables the wireless application protocol, and later directed IP brings the internet to the mobile screens. So the second one is multimedia messaging services. So it allows users sending and receiving messages, continuing image, audio, video, clipping, expanding beyond the text messages. So the next one is email and instant messages, where it facilitates mobile access to the small and client to relieve or early instant messaging platforms, keeping the users connected to all through the worldwide. Next one is faster SMS, where through the SMS services, GPRS, the implementation of GPRS networks allows the significant faster transmissions of data rates, handling both 30 SMS per minute. So the advantages of GPRS data services is there are four main advantages. First one is always on connectivity, where the user no longer needed to dial up for an internet connection. Their devices were continuously connected, improving all over user experiences and enabling real-time update. And the second one is IP based application support. So IP based application support, it allows for the development and use of various IP addresses applications directly from the mobile devices. So next one is new service enablement. It unlocks revenue streaming and service operations beyond the traditional voice calls or SMS, which includes multimedia, location based services, and more and more. Cost effective is the next one. So data transmission becomes more affordable as billing shift from the connections time to data volume, which encourages greater data usages among the consumers or the users, end-to-end users. So the applications of the technologies that is used for the GPRS is mobile, web, email. So push to talk and present the notifications, and remote monitoring, then there is mobile multimedia. So mobile web emails, that is nothing but wherein facilitates the early mobile browsing and email access for the features where end-to-end communication is done through emails. Push to talk and present is nothing but enabling instant communication features like push to talk services and present to the contact availability. So next is remote monitoring. Laid on the groundwork of early in IoT devices, applications like enabling the remote monitoring and control of devices were prominently an advantage of GPRS. So next one is mobile multimedia, where it uses to transfer the files, services, making a beginning to rich mobile content. So in modern context of GPRS, it is run and emerging markets, where it legacy compatibility, where GPRS works for the compatibility for the older devices also, and for the network that is connected throughout the global. So challenges and implementation, there are three types of main challenges and limitations. First one is variables throughput. As a best effective with services, GPRS offers only inconsistent data speed and high latency, where it works on the durations of networks, congestions, and impact on the real-time applications. Next is speed limitations. It maximizes the limitations or insufficient of the demands of modern multimedia heavy applications like video streaming or larger file documents, where it acts only for the SMS or texting messages. So that limit is predominant. So gradually phase out challenges, that is main developed country by gradually phasing out all the GPRS services for the network upgrading to more effective and efficient for the faster mobile broadband communications. So summary and overlook of the topic. First one is mobile data revolution, where mobile data is introducing the packet switching for the GSM for the first try, always on mobile internet experiences. So second one is foundation for innovation, where the advanced modern mobile bandwidth technologies like Edge, 3G, 5G are more widespreading for the mobile data services. So third one is enduring relevances, where it is replacing GPRS remains relevant of latency system and advanced network coveraging until developing. Thank you.